Hi and welcome everyone. Today we are making gulab jaman at home. So these are the ingredients that will go into making gulab jaman. First of all, we add a big cup of powdered milk. And after that, we'll add a bit of flour in it. It may be self-raising flour or any flour you can use, and a little bit of baking soda also we're going to add into this. And here I fumble with the baking soda and cannot get it out of the packing. Oh, finally got it. And after that, we mix a big spoonful of desi ghee into it, which will give it a special aroma and fragrance and a lot of good taste. After adding all these ingredients, now let's add an egg. And then we mix to make it a soft paste. Mix, 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 and keep mixing. And after that, we make some round balls with this soft paste, and then we'll just boil them, or not boil, we'll fry them, deep fry on very low flame. Here I add them in the oil one by one, as you can see. And yes, go on. And here they're all in the frying bowl now, and then we mix it, and actually it's just frying in the pan slowly. So we change the sides. I don't know if that spoon is called ladle or some other spoon, but we just change its sides so it cooks well from all the sides and from the center. So it's very important to cook this on very low flame so the center is cooked. And then we add it in the sugary water and cool them down and pour in a bowl for serving. Now let's have a bite of this yummy homemade gulab jaman. Bye!